Namaskar. আজি মই এটা নতুন ভিডিও লৈ আনিছোঁ that is the recently concluded ADRE exam SLRC 2024 তাৰ question paperখন আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম এই ভিডিওটোত অকল GK পাৰ্টখিনি কভাৰ কৰি আছোঁ আৰু নেক্সট ভিডিওত আমি CSAT লজিক্যাল ৰিজনিং সেইখিনি পাৰ্ট কভাৰ কৰি ল'ম the question paper was of 150 marks 1 mark each আৰু negative marking আছিলে of 0.25 before I begin with the discussion মই মোৰ পৰিচয় দি লৈছোঁ নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম মেঘনা সহৰীয়া মই APSc CCA 2022 এছিষ্টেণ্ট একাউণ্টছ অফিচাৰ ৰেংক 14 হিচাপে সিলেক্ট হৈছোঁ এইটো মোৰ প্ৰথম এটেম্প্ট আছিলে ইন এনি চিভিল সাৰ্ভিস এক্সামিনেশ্যন আৰু আজি পেপাৰখন আমি এনেদৰে ডিসকাস কৰিম যাতে আমি ইন ফিউচাৰ GA এক্সাম পাতে APSc সেইটো পাৰ্সপেক্টিভত কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰখন ডিসকাস কৰিম মানে দ্যাট মিন্স উইথ দ্য কোৱেশ্চন ইটসেল্ফ আমি এক্সট্ৰা অলপমান টপিকছবোৰ ডিসকাস কৰি ল'ম ৰিলেটেড টপিকছবোৰ যাতে আপোনালোকৰ ফিউচাৰত সুবিধা হয় as to how to study and what to study. So let's begin. The first question is, what was the last capital of Ahom Kingdom? First capital আমি জানো চৰাইদেউ established by Sukafa. কেতিয়া establish কৰিছিলে year to চাই ল'ব তাৰপিছত যোনটো সিকুৱেন্স হয় সিকুৱেন্সটো পাৰিলে মনত ৰাখিব মই এটা লেটেষ্ট সিকুৱেন্স কেইটা দি দিছোঁ গড়গাঁও ৰংপুৰ আৰু শেষত হ'ল যোৰহাট ৰংপুৰৰ পৰা যোৰহাটলৈ আনিছিলে গৌৰীনাথ সিংহই Garaj বুলি acronym এটা মনত ৰাখিব পাৰে who was the last king of the Ahom kingdom Purandar Singha yes so the answer is B Jorhat next hole what was the name of Srimanta Shankardev's grandmother answer hole Kherhuti Srimanta Shankardev কেতিয়া জন্ম হৈছিলে আৰু কেতিয়া ঢুকাইছিলে ক'ত জন্ম হৈছিলে ক'ত ঢুকাইছে এটা মই লিখি দিছোঁ born in Bardua Than 26 September 1449 died Kuch Bihar 1568 সন গেটা যথেষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ইভেন জগা গেটা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট চাই থৈ দিব যেহেতু এতে মা আইতাকৰ নাম সুধিছে গতিকে মাক আৰু দেউতাকৰ নামটো জনাটো উচিত মই ইয়াতে লিখি দিছোঁ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ভাৰ্চেছ কৰতলা কমলা টিচাৰ মহেন্দ্ৰ কণ্ডলী এই নামটো আপোনালোকে মনত ৰাখিব লগতে মাধৱদেৱৰ বিষয়ে চাই থৈ দিব Third question, who was known as the Lion of Mysore? The answer is Tipu Sultan, Tiger of Mysore বুলিও কোৱা হয় এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব যে কৃষ্ণ ওডেয়াৰ যোনটো ডাইনেষ্টি আছিলে দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ওডেয়াৰ ডাইনেষ্টি তাৰ পিছতে মাইচুৰৰ ফালে হাইদাৰ আলী আহিছিলে আৰু হাইদাৰ আলীৰ ছান আছিলে টিপু চুলতান আদিল শ্বাহ বাহমানী কিংডমৰ আছিলে আদিল শ্বাহৰ বিষয়ে আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব Which state of India has Jallianwala Bagh? Answer is Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh is in Amritsar আৰু যোনটো ইনসিডেন্ট হৈছিলে that was in 13 April 1919 the tragic incident Which of the following countries was a part of the Axis group during the World War II এটা allied আৰু Axis group দুটাই মনত ৰাখিব অপশনস কেটা সালা আপোনালোকে ডিডিউস কৰিব পাৰিলে হয় because England France এই দুটা সদায় US ৰ লগতে থাকিব আৰু US ৰ লগত আছিল সোভিয়েট ইউনিয়ন সেইখিনি সময়ত গতিকে গেছ কৰিলে আপুনি আনসাৰটো পাই গ'লে হয় জাপান anyways the allied groups are big four that is US UK Soviet Union China and France আৰু যোনটো Axis group আছিল that was Japan Italy and Germany The ruins of Angkor Wat are in which country The answer is Cambodia it's the largest temple By the way Cambodia Indonesia Vietnam Laos Myanmar এইকেইখন যোন সাউথ ইষ্ট এছিয়ান কান্ট্ৰিজ আছে মেপত ভালকৈ চাব বেসিক্যালি এক্সামটোত মেপছ was very important if you had gone through the maps of Oxford বা মানে যিকোনো মেপছ যদি আপোনালোকে ফলো কৰিলে হয় this paper would have been comparatively easier if you followed maps okay so which of the following countries does Assam share international boundaries or borders with the answer is Bangladesh and Bhutan Assamৰ কথা কৈছে বাকি rest of India shares the borders with which countries হেতু আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব ইয়াতে মই এটা স্ক্ৰিনশ্বট শেয়াৰ কৰিছোঁ from a authentic government website of Assam so India আৰু বাংলাদেশৰ যোনটো boundary হয় it's longer than India and Bhutan then which are the districts which are sharing international boundaries এটা মাৰ্ক কৰি দিছোঁ with which country so Bhutanৰ লগত BTC area Karimganj Kasar আৰু ধুবৰী সাউথ সালমাৰা মানকাছাৰ একখন ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টছে শেয়াৰ কৰিছে উইথ বাংলাদেশ দেন ইণ্টাৰষ্টেট বৰ্ডাৰ এৰিয়াজ দ্য লংগেষ্ট ইণ্টাৰষ্টেট বৰ্ডাৰ এৰিয়া আমাৰ ক'ব গ'লে ইজ উইথ মেঘালয়া এণ্ড দ্য লিষ্ট ইজ উইথ ত্ৰিপুৰা চাই ল'ব If an airplane is flying directly from Chennai towards Guwahati, in which direction is it flying? So you know the location of Chennai, know the location of Guwahati, plot it, and you know the direction is from south to east. What is the westernmost state of India? The answer is Gujarat. Again, maps at Sailaba, Gompaba. Which of the following peaks does not belong to the Himalayas? So, Annapurna, Kangto, Kamet. Egeta Himalayas belong kore. Annapurna is in Nepal, Kangto is in Arunachal Pradesh, and Kamet is in Uttarakhand, Garhwal. Second tallest after Nanda Devi. Gotike the answer is Annamudi, which is tallest in Western Ghat. Our Western Ghat area to apne Kerala, Tamil Nadu mazot pabo. Our kebata peak ase in Western Ghats, Dodabetta, Annamalai. Ebur peaks apnaloke sai lobo. Again, I'm saying, repeating again, that map sale apnalokor. This paper was easy. The Great Barrier Reef is located in the seas near which continent? The answer is Australia. So, eta moi likhi thoi disu. The largest is the Great Barrier Reef. The largest reef system is the Great Barrier Reef. UNESCO World Heritage Site tag pai thoi dise. It is near the coral reef. Tar kakhota Timor Sea ase, Arafura Sea ase, hebur sai loba maps out. Then the second largest is the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. Okay. Which of the following is the mountain range of South America? The answer is Indus. So, actually, kohata hol Karakoram region to apnaloke eta sabo pare that Hindu Kush, Pamir Mountains are Karakoram. These are forming like a ki boli koy to apnar eta Trimurti type boli kobo pare near Afghanistan, India and China border hikinit. So, a mountain system range to Silo par Tian Shan ase side of like Kunlun Shan, Karakoram, Ladakh range, Himalayas, Hindu Kush, Pamir. Tar kakhote white mountains ase near Hindu Kush. So, thulmulke Sailaba. Then Caucasus Mountains unto hoy. It is separating Asia and Europe. Yet confusion like pare with the Ural Mountains, which is in Russia. It is separating, the Ural Mountains is separating the eastern Russia from the western Russia. Western Russia boli kobo gole Europe side pori jay, European Russia. So the Caucasus is located between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. So our Alps kobo gole, it's in Europe. Swedish Alps boli kobo pare. So jun kekhon countries ase, Switzerland, Monaco, Italy, Liechtenstein, France, Germany, Sweden, Switzerland. Ekekhon countries apunar Alps to surround kore. Next hole, so the answer is Indus, which is in South America. It's covering Peru, Chile, Colombia, Argentina, Brazil, and Brazil no hobo sailobo area to Bots and Ecuador and Venezuela. Next, who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? The answer is Prime Minister. Numaligarh Refinery is located in which district of Assam? The answer is Golaghat. It is also a mini Ratna company. Aru Assam Accord Refinery bulio koa hoy. Etu apnaloke ei question to apnaloke jodi Assamir book khon sale hoy tate pai gole hoy. The international festival Kulu Dashera is celebrated in which state? Kulu Manali boli monot rakhi lobo, that is the Himachal Pradesh. Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh famous painting style hol Kangra painting. Yate ma koi disu je apuni keneke maps kon sabo yate kisman bostu. Types of painting in the various states of India, types of dance forms, janeke Uttar Pradesh or kuntu dance form kore. So eneke apnaloke maps ot pai jabo. Hebur bostu sai lobo, cover kori lobo, dance forms, art, painting, etc. The Bering Strait separates which two land masses? The answer is the USA and Russia. So Bering Strait logote apnaloke etu sauk diagram to mane moi map or photo ekhon loi thoi disu. The Aleutian Islands tolar phale, it's covering Siberia and the Aleutian Islands, it's connecting Russia and Alaska, which is a part of USA. Bering Strait point arrow di point kori dise ekhini area eta ER through the international date lines hai, which are the main seas being connected by the Bering Strait, that is the Chukchi Sea and the Bering Sea. কোনটো oceanot it's connecting which two oceans? It's connecting the Arctic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. That's important. Okay, next. Oh yes, Arctic Circular এটা সৰু লাইনত দেখা পাইছে Arctic Circular definition মতে দি দিছো অলপমান ভালদৰে পঢ়িব আৰু গুৰুত্ব দিব কি হয় Next question, who wrote the lyrics of Alakananda sung by Shankuraj Kumar? The answer is Maitreyi Patar. I'm not exactly sure Tonmoy Kryptono dekha pai aslo but I'm not sure. Please apnaloke etu check kori lobo. Next hole, the real name of crime thriller writer Ranju Hazarika is. The answer is Kumud Chandra Hazarika. He is from Hunitpur district. Hiren Gohai yate Sahitya Academy awards paise. Who wrote the children's book Hanto Histo Rusto Pusto Mahadusto? The answer is Bhabendranath Hoikia. He is a Padma Shri winner. Arup Kumar Dotto Padma Shri paise aru Hiren Bhattacharya tekhete paise Sahitya Academy awards. Next, Kanchipuram sari is produced in which state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Actually, Kanchipuram sari Kanjivaram buliyo koa hoy and Kanchipuram is a city in Tamil Nadu. Who among the following was a famous painter? The answer is Vincent van Gogh. Karon Bob Marley as a singer, as a famous singer, John Lennon singer, aru Marlon Brando, he was an actor. Jor-El part to play korisile in Superman. So the answer was Vincent van Gogh. And now Vincent van Gogh boli kole apnaloke naam to dhoribo paribo lage karon this is a very famous painting, the Starry Nights boli koa hoy. Moi eta photo khon di disu. Azikali bohutor t-shirts shirts দেখা পাব so জানিব লাগা question. In which sports do Tanya Chaudhary and Nayanmani Saikia from Assam represent India? The answer is lawn bowls. এখেতৰ কথা মই একাৰণে জানিছিলো Tanya Chaudhary কথা কাৰণ তেখেতো AEC ৰে হয় আৰু ৰিসেন্টলি অলিম্পিক্সক ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে ৰিসেন্টলি নহয় অলিম্পিক্স ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছিলে আপোনালোকে কম ভালদৰে চাই ল'ব so remember to pay attention in sports news কাৰণ স্পৰ্টছৰ questions বহুত সুধি আছে স্পেশালি যেটো অলিম্পিক্সও হৈ গল Identify the badminton player. ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত সানিয়া মিৰ্জা লিয়েণ্ডাৰ পেজ এই দুজনে টেনিছ খেলিছিলে লিয়েণ্ডাৰ পেজ বুলি ক'ব গ'লে মহেশ ভূপতিও আহি যায় then Deepa Karmakar, she is a gymnast, so the answer is Pulela Gopichand. আচ্ছা ইয়াৰ লগতে আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব যে টেনিছৰ লগত কোন কেইটা এৱাৰ্ডছ বা কোন কেইটা ট্ৰফিজ এছ'চিয়েটেড হয় so টেনিছৰ লগত উইম্বলডন ফ্যামিলি সাৰ্কেল অষ্ট্ৰেলিয়ান ওপেন ফ্ৰেঞ্চ ওপেন ডেভিছ কাপ গ্ৰেণ্ড স্ল্যাম এইবোৰ সব টেনিছৰ লগত এছ'চিয়েটেড India's highest sporting award is Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award and second highest is Arjuna Awards. Which sport did India not win a medal at 2020 Olympics, Tokyo Olympics? 2024 বিষয়ে সোধা নাই 2020 Tokyo Olympics বিষয়ে সুধিছে গতিকে the answer was taekwondo because boxing ot asile Lavlina Borgohai, weightlifting asile Mirabai Chanu আৰু wrestling ot asile acha কথাটো হ'ল যে wrestling আৰু boxing দুটাকে welter weight বুলিও কোৱা হয় কিন্তু boxing welter weight in a lightweight category becomes boxing and welter weight in a heavier weight category that is in 70s becomes wrestling as far as I have read. Correct me if I'm wrong. So aru javelin Neeraj Chopra asila hockey team asila amar Indian hockey team paise so the answer was taekwondo. In this year's 2024 Paris Olympics yate apnar 6ta medals paise Neeraj Chopra silver paise aru baki gute kejone bronze paise aru jun duta sports asile shooting hockey athletics and wrestling athletics or bitor javelin throw asile naam keta sai lobo Manu Bhaker recently has been very famous. The Diamond League is an annual series of competition in which area? The answer is track and field events. So kothato hol je the full name of this league is Wanda Diamond League aru this is for track and field events kyo karon date pole acha track events or field events mane ki hoy so track boli kobo gola you can relate or field boli kobo gola you can relate that running associated thakibo anything which utilizes the field so javelin throw thakibo shot put discus throw pole vault aru running sprinting long jump ever associated thakibo so Diamond League is associated with that. Identify the incorrectly matched pair. The answer is Stephen Edberg tekhet lawn tennis asile please confirm it kintu tekhet lawn tennis asile so that is the incorrectly matched pairs baki kejon correctly matched pairs. Where is the National War Memorial located? The answer is New Delhi. Recently আমি ফুৰি আহিছিলোঁ এইকাৰণে মই আনসাৰটো জানো বাৰু ইণ্ডিয়া গেটৰ কাষত লোকেটেড এটা বস্তু মনত ৰাখিব যে গেটৱে অফ ইণ্ডিয়া ইট ইজ লোকেটেড ইন মুম্বাই এণ্ড ইণ্ডিয়া গেট ইজ ইন নিউ দিল্লী বহুতে কনফিউজ কৰে সেইকাৰণে জনাই দিছোঁ নেক্সট which of the following is the mission Basundhara of Government of Assam related to? The answer is land records and land revenues. So women empowerment কাৰণে government scheme famous বুলি ক'ব গ'লে অৰুণোদয় হয় fisher and livelihood latest PM Matsya Sampada Yojana promote কৰি আছে regarding the blue revolution আৰু mission Bhumiputraটো জানি থৈ দিব it's online caste certificate for students. So mission Basundhara আৰু Bhumiputraৰ মাজত কেতিয়াবা confusion লাগিব পাৰে কাৰণে মই কৈ দিছোঁ Which of the following organization is not in the business of commercial vehicles? The answer is Larsen and Toubro. Yata akoman guess koribo pare apuni Tata Motors or Mahindra and Mahindra egata to jane it's in commercial vehicles. Force Motors. So Motors bole likha ase you can still guess that it's a commercial vehicle. Larsen and Toubro is not. Okay, if the pH of a liquid is 5, then the liquid is acidic or basic. The answer is acidic in nature. Because 7 ke tololoi jeta jay it becomes acidic mane 1 to 7 and 7 ke jeta uporloi jay 7 to 14 it becomes basic aru ta question ahi jabo pare hekane moi eta likhi thoi disu je when you say it's acidic tate H plus ions or concentration thake beshi aru when you say a solution is basic tate OH minus ions or concentration thake basically Who is the Vice President of India as on 1st of January 2024 present Vice President কোন হয় the answer is Jagdeep Dhankar তেখেতে কাক succeed কৰিছে MV Naidu so Jagdeep Dhankar is the 14th Vice President of India presently আমাৰ 15th President of India চলি আছে who is Draupadi Murmu the 14th President was Ramnath Kovind so Ramnath Kovind was the President and not Vice President Rajnath Singh is জানিবলগীয়া কথা Defense Minister and Gulab Chand Kataria he is the Punjab Governor Which of the following belongs to class 1 category of liver? I'm sorry I do not know this answer. আপোনালোকে জানে যদি কমেন্টছত লিখি জনাব I think it engineering মানে mechanical বা civil or hobo I have no idea. The national flag of which country has a white cross over red background? The answer is Switzerland. ইয়াতে আপোনালোকে অলপ guess কেনেকৈ কৰিব পাৰিলে হয় মই কৈছোঁ Switzerland is famous for its pharmaceutical companies সেইকাৰণে you could have guessed it Japanor baro it's like a Hindustani bindi ami juntu logao Hindu religionot ronga phuttu hetu ar United States of America hoboi nore Brazil is also ji hokale football side ekhotokale janile hai most probably so next question which of the following is considered as the earliest compilation the answer is Rig Veda which of the following places was a part of the Indus Valley civilization So এটা যদি আমি চাওঁ মাছুলিপট্টনম বা মাছলিপট্টনম ইজ ইন আন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ চ' যিহেতু চাউথৰ ফালে আছিলে ইণ্ডাছ ভেলী চিভিলাইজেশ্যনটো নৰ্থ ৱেষ্টৰ ফালেহে আছিলে চ' নট পচিবল বেবিলন বা বেবিলনিয়া ইটছ এ মেছ'পটেমিয়ান চিটি চ' মেছ'পটেমিয়ান চিভিলাইজেশ্যন কণ্টেম্পৰেৰী চিভিলাইজেশ্যন অফ ইণ্ডাছ ভেলী চিভিলাইজেশ্যন আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো চিভিলাইজেশ্যনে দে ৱেৰ বেছড অন মেইন ৰিভাৰ বা মেজৰ ৰিভাৰ So Mesopotamian civilization or junto major rivers asle they were Euphrates and Tigris aru he dutar majot he dukhon rivers or majot junto area hoy that is known as the Fertile Crescent so this is not the answer Byzantine Empire jodi kobo jao that's the Roman Empire which was situated around the Mediterranean sea so hetu no hoy so the answer was Mohenjo-daro or Mound of Dead mane Mohenjo-daro literally translates to Mound of Dead next Who among the following was involved in the Battle of Waterloo? The answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. Tsar Nicholas, he was the Emperor of Russia. George Washington, he was the first President of USA. And President Joe Biden, he's the 46th President. Adolf Hitler to Hobenweiler is in Germany. Waterloo, most probably is in UK. Please confirm Koriloba. Yes, so the answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. Another thing is Samudragupta was known as the Indian Napoleon. Next question, Bhairav-kunda is a tri-junction of which of the following? So the answer is Assam, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, option B. Bhairav-kunda তাৰ থ্ৰু দি সেই জগাটোত ধনচিৰি ৰিভাৰ অৰিজিনেট হয়. Which of the following is generally salty in taste? The answer is sea water. Snowflake হ'ব নোৱাৰে যিহেতু আকাশৰ পৰা পৰে তাতে আপোনাৰ সল্ট কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন বহুত কম থাকিব. ৰেইন ৱাটাৰ নহ'ব, চেম ৰিজন. ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ ৱাটাৰ নহয় বিকজ ইটছ ফ্ল'য়িং ইন নেচাৰ. চি ৱাটাৰ আটাইতকৈ বেছি সল্ট থাকে. এনেকুৱা এটা কুৱেশ্যন মই মোৰ হেৰিত সুধিছিলোঁ আপোনাৰ ইউটিউব কমিউনিটিত যোনবোৰ মই কুৱেশ্যনছ পষ্ট কৰি থাকোঁ তাতে মই কাইণ্ড অফ চিমিলাৰ কুৱেশ্যন সুধিছিলোঁ. চ' সেইকাৰণে মই কৈছোঁ ইউটিউব কমিউনিটিৰ যোনবোৰ মই কুৱেশ্যনছ পষ্ট কৰি থাকোঁ সেইবোৰ এটেম্প কৰি থাকিব. Which of the following mountains ranges is in the northeast India? So ইয়াতে যদি শিৱালিক ৰেঞ্জ চাই it is in the Himalayan region. So Himalayas মানে in the Himalayan মানে কি কাশ্মীৰ region, জম্মু এণ্ড কাশ্মীৰ. চ' আপুনি যদি চাই হিমাদ্ৰী, হিমাচল আৰু শিৱালিক, that is the range. Then Aravalli range যোনটো আছে it's near Mount Abu বা Rajasthan area. Satpura range, it is separating the Deccan Peninsula from the North India Peninsula, from North India. Gotike, that is why again I am reiterating that maps was very important for this exam. The answer is Barail range. So Barail range is a mountain range in the northeast of India and the highest peak of Barail range is the Laike. The Barail range Korpra Kolo extend hoy from Meghalaya to Assam, then to Nagaland and Manipur. Our Barail range is separating the Brahmaputra basin from the Barak basin. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Lakshadweep is a union territory of India. It is. Maldives is a union territory of India. That is not the answer. Maldives is not even a part of India. Andaman and Nicobar is a part of, is a union territory of India, and Puducherry is also a union territory of India. Total amar 8খন union territories আছে. এটা মই diagram দি দিছো চাই লব. The equator, the Tropic of Capricorn and Cancer pass through which of the following continents? The answer was Africa. Africa এটা continent যাৰ through দি এই তিনিটাই latitudes pass হয়. Asia through দি Tropic of Cancer and Equator pass হয়. South America through দি Equator and Capricorn pass হয়, Tropic of Capricorn. আৰু Australia through দি Tropic of Capricorn pass হয়. Next is which of the following is an island state of the United States of America? The answer is Hawaii. South Madagascar is located near Africa, so it's Africa a part hoy. Greenland hetu ami pisole pai asu laheke ei question to hudise, it's a part of which country? Tasot Canary Islands, it's a Spanish island. So that Canary Islands is located in the northwest region of Africa. Aru Canary Islands er naam to ekarone important hoy karon Canary current bole eta cold current ase which and my diagram to do this apni sabo pare. The cold current located again Azores, Madeira, Canary Islands, these are the islands located next to each other. Ekhini horu keta dekhise Strait of Gibraltar. So eneke apnaloke maps kon sabo lagibo. So the answer was Hawaii. Next question, sudden burst into the open of hot water and vapor from deep underground is termed as? The answer was geyser. Geyser. Actually, the term geyser has come from Iceland. Tate apna first geyser to discover hoisile. Aru baki Kamchatka Peninsula jonto ami Russia ase. Aru Japanese onsen, Yellowstone National Park, ebroto bahut geysers ase. Goram Pani in Karbi Anglong is another example, natural geyser. Manikaran in Kullu is another example. Geysers are important because they release many minerals from deep underneath the earth. Okay? Baki tornado hobo নোৱাৰে because আপোনালোকে যদি চাইছে বহুত মুভিজত দেখা পাব যে tornado is a large air mass movement in US, especially in US regions. তাতে বহুতখিনি tornadoes এনেকুৱা বহুত documentaries বনোৱা হয়. So tornado cannot be the answer, and volcano to গমেই পাইছে, magma associated, and tsunami, as you already know, it is not the answer. Which of the following is not a component of the Constitution of India? The directive principle of state policy, the directive rights of the center, the fundamental rights and the fundamental duties. So the answer is the directive rights of the centers. So jodi basic apnaloke Lakshmikant khon khuli pele content to saise teta apnaloke gom pale answer to. Aru eta question moi yate disu je please find out the parts to which the directive principle of state policy belongs, the fundamental right, the fundamental duties kuntu part belong kore, and also the article numbers sai lobo. The next question is the continuous rise in the price level is called. The answer is inflation. Stagflation is a period of stagnant and then inflation, and hyperinflation is extreme inflation. Deflation is the opposite of inflation. Our inflation is the answer to this question. Eto apnaloke Nitin Singhania enugana kitabot pai jabo ba basic NCERT jodi porise tate pai gole ha. What does DAY stand for in the National Rural Livelihood Mission? DAY NRLM. The answer was Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana. This is for the poorest of the poor section of the society. Mane below people even poorer than the below poverty line. Which of the following novels was written by Padma Shri Rongbong Terang? So Mrityunjay cannot be the answer because it was written by Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. He was the first Assamese to win Gyanpith Award. আৰু তেখেতে পাইছিলে এখন নোভেল মৃত্যুঞ্জয় কাৰণে. অসীমত যাৰ হেৰাল সীমা, this was written by Bhuban Mohan Borua. Miri Jiori is written by Rajinikanto Bordoloi. So the answer was Rong Milir Hahi. Which of the following is not a central armed police force of India? So this is an important question. Yate apnaloke jani thoi diato bhal. So Assam Rifles, Border Security Force, CISF বা Central Industrial Security Force, CRPF বা Central Reserve Police Force, ITBP, Indo-Tibetan, I don't remember the full form, but Indo-Tibetan something asla apnaloke please confirm kori lobo. Our National Security Guard, jar our name hole Black Cats, and Sashastra Seema Bal. So these belong to the Central Armed Police Force Reserve Force of India. And which does not belong is the Indian Coast Guard. Maritime area khini Indian Coast Guard e check kori thake. Indian Coast Guard bishoye apnaloke Wikipedia chai lobo. In fact guteketa forces of bishoye apnaloke Wikipedia chai lobo. What is the chemical symbol for silver? So silicon, Si to hobo nare, it stands for silicon. Sv, it's an undiscovered element till now. Au, it's gold. It is my favorite metal, so it won't hoy baro. The answer was Ag. আমি সৰুতে গতে বহুত সায়েন্সত মানে এক্সপেৰিমেণ্ট কৰিছিলোঁ, সিলভাৰ নাইট্ৰেট এণ্ড অল, সিলভাৰ মিৰৰ. চ' AG, ৰিমেম্বাৰ AG ইজ ফৰ সিলভাৰ. হু ইজ দ্য প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট অফ USA এজ অন 1st of January 2024? বেৰাক ওবামা নহয়, তেখেত দুটা টাৰ্ম পাইছিলে এণ্ড US প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট দুটা টাৰ্মতকৈ বেছি নোৱাৰে, গতিকে তেখেত নহয়. ডনাল্ড ট্ৰাম্প নহয়, তেখেত আগৰবাৰ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট আছিলে. প্ৰেজেণ্টলি ইটছ জো বাইডেন. ঋষি সুনাকটো নহয়, he was the prime minister of UK. Which of the following is considered as the powerhouse of an animal cell? The answer is mitochondria. So these আপোনালোকে এইবোৰ NCERT class আনকি ক্লাছ 10 মানতো পাই গ'লে হয়, I guess 9, 10 বায়'লজি NCERT বা ইভেন 11, 12ত ভালকৈ মেনশ্যন আছে, জাষ্ট ওপৰৰ পৰা ডায়েগ্ৰামছকেইটা চাই গ'লে গম পাব. Which of the following countries does not have a seashore? So the answer is Afghanistan, because China it has South China Sea on its southeast and the Pacific Ocean. Myanmar has Bay of Bengal on its southwest. Iran has Arabian Sea and Caspian Sea, Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. So the answer is Afghanistan. Yate ma flags kekhonor diagram flags kekhono yate ma di thoi disu. China, it has 5 stars. Myanmar also has a star. And Afghanistan, yate apunar Urdut likha ase. And Urdu ne Arabic hobo, I'm not sure, really sorry if I am making the mistake. Urdu ba Arabic hobo. And Iranot apunar this is the diagram, this is the map. The world's largest island, Greenland, is a part of which of the following countries? So etu proshno ami agote je dekhilo, it's related to that. The answer is Denmark. So please note the maps of these places. Greenlander map to dekhise almost like Japan. Khali Japan janiba ronga bindi to asle, the Greenlander white bindi tako eto mix match korar nisna. Denmark or dekhise it's like again a cross, like similar to Switzerland, but the cross pattern is different. Baki Sweden, Iceland and Denmark. Baki Sweden, Iceland and Denmark গোটেই কেইখনৰে maps কেইটা almost একে ধৰণৰ. Next হ'ল Canada দেখিছে autumn leaves. maple leaf বুলি ক'ব পাৰি. So that is the map. So this was the question paper মানে GK portion of ADRE exam. Let me know আপোনালোকৰ কেইটা correct হৈছে আৰু কেইটা ভুল হৈছে. So please wait for the next part where I post the CSAT portion. আৰু I have a Telegram channel. You can follow my Telegram channel for certain free materials APSC related. And my link to di dim description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Aro kiba jodi doubts thake comment section likhi dibo. Thank you so much for watching and all the best aspirants.